Alrighty, what's good, ladies and gents? So here we got a little CRF110 build. You guys might see one apparent thing that I changed that I didn't put in the video, and that would be these bars right here. Oopsie. Anyways, yeah, like I was saying in the last video, I was planning on changing these out so that it wouldn't be looking like a freaking chopper. Here's my old ones, just so that you guys can see in comparison. Here, maybe it'll, yeah, you can see the difference there a lot better. Slightly higher, huh? Just a little bit. But anyways, that helped out my throttle situation. These are still the stock cables, and now I can turn it in either direction and it's perfectly fine. Whereas before, if I turned it this way, all the way, these would get all kinked up. I should probably put these back in there now that this is all solid. Got plenty of wiggle room. So yeah, that is an obvious one. There's another one on the other side, but I'll show you guys later. But anyways, we got another few little goodies. Obviously, a major one is the graphics. It's gonna be a game changer for this bike. And easily 10 horsepower, you know what I'm saying? And then we've got these suckers right here too. And some titanium sprocket bolts. Yeah, buddy, got them on the Husky. Freaking looks sick, so I figured why not add them. And then the pack spacers. I won't be able to use it for the front wheel, but I will be able to use it for the rear. So figured I might as well buy those, keep the color scheme going. Yeah, so anyways, still have the seat cover on the way. That hasn't been done, but I at least wanted to put these on already and stop staring at the bike while it's so plain Jane, and go out and ride it at least, so that I can enjoy a little bit. I didn't want to ride it because I didn't want to scratch up the plastics and whatnot, and then maybe get like some, let's say I wreck or something, end up getting some gnarly grooves in it, and then the plastics fit all wonky and whatnot. I don't know. I just didn't want to ride it till the the graphics were on. And I mean, come on, dude. Look how sick that is, straight fresh. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm excited to see how this thing's gonna look. So yeah, let's get started with the install video, and I'll show you guys what this thing looks like afterwards. Bummer that I don't have the seat cover, but whatever.
Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all under one night. Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, about week, wasting time with people I don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Pulling out the coupe at the lot, calling for a 12 fuck swat, buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn steel, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. Dance, you're gonna sing the words wrong. One more time. Running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. One more time. When you sing this song, yeah, I got a lump in my throat, cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Now she want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the motto, nigga. YOLO, and we bout it every day, every day, every day. They be sitting on the bench, nigga, we don't really play every day, every day. Fuck what anybody say, can't see him cause the money in the way. Real nigga, what's up? Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Now she want a photo, you already know though. You only live once, that's the motto, nigga. YOLO, and we bout it every day, every day, every day. They be sitting on the bench, nigga, we don't really play every day, every day. Fuck what anybody say, can't see him cause the money in the way. Real nigga, what's up? Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. Don't she? If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my clarity? Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Yeah. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne. And then we're gonna find it.
Alright, ladies and gents, here we go. Freaking graphics are on, seat cover is on point. As I was filming the beginning portion of this video, I don't know if I mentioned it or not. Would have to go back and watch, see if I did or didn't. But anyways, I didn't know if the seat cover was going to be in time. So I went ahead and threw it on here before ending the video. Didn't record it because I was way too excited when it came in. Yeah, they're out of San Diego here, so as soon as I got the email saying that it shipped out, I knew it wasn't going to take more than like a day or two or whatever to get it. So yeah, anyways, give you guys a little walk around on the bike after putting on these graphics. Oh man, dude, it's looking so sick. Loving these graphics. Definitely worth it. On the red, ended up going chrome, as you can see right here. You can really see it here. It's pretty sick. Let's see what else we would do that I didn't mention in the beginning of the video. Oh, this ASV lever. So threw this in there. It's kind of a little bonus for this video. So it was this and a couple other things that I'll show you guys right now. So the darn bolt right here is maxed out all the way, so that's why we got this play right here, and we also got a little play up in this area, but that's okay. I'll probably trim some aluminum stock or something and throw it in here, get rid of this play right here, and obviously this bolt right here, putting in a longer one, will get rid of this play, so that way it's just touching on there the entire time. And then we also did the rotator clamp, which is this guy right here, which is right there now. This one, again, this comes with the Fast Ace kit. This didn't have that like plastic piece in there that helps it rotate whenever you go down, make a little oopsie, you know what I mean? And then here's the lever that was on there before. Big difference, way nicer. Anyways, yeah, we did those two things, and then had this laying around, was looking at my little parts pile that I have had, and saw this on there, so figured I'd throw it on there. We do have Lux brake lever coming whenever they finally do start shipping out. We got it pre-ordered from none other than Factory Mini Bikes. Thanks, Matt. So we got that, and then we got this the pin from, I think you say Takagawa, I don't know, but yeah, we got that on there. Well, I was trying to order this as well, the adjuster as well, but they're out of stock, so bummer there. Yeah, we got these caps on for the valves from Dubia, I don't even know, I'm probably botching up the name. And then the rim lock nut, kind of like these a lot because you get that washer right there. I'll show you guys on the front wheel. You get the washer, which kind of just fits over this contour of the wheel really nicely. And yeah, so this wheel as well came with the Fast Ace kit, so still undecided on whether or not I'm gonna do a color on these hubs on the front and the rear as well. Probably will, but that'll be for a different video. Oh, I also got, you know, the drain bolt too from Takagawa. Like I said, I think that's how you say it. But that'll be for when we change oil, when we go to do those engine mods. So that'll be coming up. Wink wink. We got this wheel on there as well, so when we do, or when I do decide what color, if I'm gonna do it, the hubs on the front and rear are gonna be, this sucker will be going on there. Kind of sucks because, I mean, you can find them, but I really wanted, I forget the spokes that I saw in factory that were really cool, but only sells them as sets, so kind of a bummer that I can't just you know, buy the rears, but it's all good. And let's see, what else did we do? Oh, we did these titanium nuts for the sprocket. You'll end up having 2 left over when you order them from our boy Matt over at factory. Show you guys how that ended up looking like right there. Damn, definitely a big improvement over those stock ones. I was bummed out because I didn't know what size these were, and if I could just order some of the other ones that, you know, they have. So yeah, he made it easy for me, put it up on the website, and yeah, ordered those suckers ASAP. And then we got the wheel spacer right there, I think that's what you call that thing, from PAX. Was kind of tired of that silver one. Couldn't use the front one, like I said, because there's the fast Ace kits up there. And then also, here's what I didn't show you guys, was the kickstand. So that's why you guys see the bike standing, or yeah, standing kind of at a decent angle, because before this it was looking like the bike itself was wanting to do a whip while it's just sitting here. So we got the Lux setup on those two, kind of nice, because when you get one of these peg bars, if you don't get one that you can mount the stock kickstand on there, you end up kind of getting hosed. So yeah, that worked out when it comes to that. So yeah, anyways, that's where we're at. Pretty happy with how the bike's looking. Gonna have to ride it one of these days, because ever since I've done all this stuff I haven't ridden it. So gonna be pretty interesting to see how much this whole front end weighed this bike down. Will be kind of interesting to see too. I'll probably ride it tomorrow or something and see if I even feel a difference with that big bore pipe on still the stock bore. And then for anybody that wants to do their own seat cover as well, this is what I ended up going and getting at Home Depot, just so I could do it. Ended up using, it was these right here, the 6mm, the smallest staples in this pack. In case you don't want to buy the pack, this will be the one that you want right here. These are more than enough to get driven in this little seat and call it a day and get the result that I did. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next video.